Hey, Emma. How's your morning going?
Pretty good, Max. I grabbed some coffee and sat by the window. The sun is finally out today.
Yeah, it's been raining all week. Sunshine feels like a miracle right now.
Totally. How about you? How's your morning?
Not bad. I went for a little walk, trying to wake up. I think I'm on my third cup of coffee now.
Smiling. Third cup? Wow, you must be ready to run a marathon.
More like ready to talk. Speaking of talking, I was thinking, today we could chat about something really useful for English learners. How to introduce yourself.
Oh, that's a great one. So important. Everyone needs to know how to do that. It's like the first door to every conversation.
Exactly. You can't really talk to anyone if you don't start with an introduction, right?
Right. And it doesn't have to be scary. It's actually pretty simple once you get comfortable with a few phrases.
Okay, let's start with the basics. When you meet someone new, what's the first thing you usually say?
Usually, I smile and say, "Hi, I'm Emma." Or if I want to sound a little friendlier, I say, "Hey, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you."
Yeah, I do the same. Hi, I'm Max. Super easy.
It's simple but friendly. Sometimes people think they need a big, perfect sentence, but really, that's enough.
Totally. Just remember to smile and make eye contact. It makes a big difference.
Yes, your body language is part of your introduction too. You can say the right words, but if you're looking at the floor, it feels awkward.
Yeah, like, hi, I'm Max, and not great.
Exactly. So smile, look up, and speak clearly. That's step one.
After saying your name, what can you say?
You can add something about where you're from, like I'm from Chicago or I'm from Mexico City.
Right. I usually say I'm from California, but I live in New York now.
That's a good one. It gives people something to ask about. Like, oh, how do you like New York?
Yeah, it helps keep the conversation going.
You can also say what you do, your job, or what you study. For example, I'm a teacher, or I'm a student.
Or I work in marketing, I study English, things like that.
Exactly. Let's do a quick example, like a short, real conversation.
Okay, I'll go first.
Okay,
Hi, I'm Max. I'm from California. I work as a graphic designer.
nice to meet you, Max. I'm Emma. I'm from Texas, and I'm a teacher.
Awesome. That's it. Short and friendly.
Yep, just like that.
You know, sometimes learners say their introduction like a robot.
Yeah, like, hi, I am Emma. I am from Texas. I am a teacher.
Exactly. All one long sentence, no pauses.
The secret is slow down, take your time, add some emotion. Maybe say, hey, I'm Emma. I'm from Texas. It's really hot there.
Yeah, that sounds way more natural.
And you can ask a question back, like, how about you? Or where are you from?
Oh, that's a good tip. Don't just talk about yourself. Invite the other person to share too.
Exactly. That's how real conversations work.
Have you ever had a funny or awkward moment introducing yourself?
Oh, yes. Once I was so nervous, I said, hi, I'm Texas.
No way!
I know. I meant to say, I'm Emma. I'm from Texas. But my brain mixed it up.
That's amazing. I think everyone has done something like that.
Yeah, and that's okay. Making mistakes is part of learning. People usually just laugh and help you out.
True. I once forgot the other person's name right after they told me. I was like, sorry, what was your name again? 3 times.
Oh, that's the worst. But yeah, it happens. The good thing is, people understand.
You know, introductions can sound a little different depending on where you are.
Right, like in a job interview, you'd say it more formally.
Yeah. You might say, hello, my name is Max Anderson. It's a pleasure to meet you.
But with friends, you just say, hey, I'm Max.
Exactly. So it's good to practice both, formal and casual.
For beginners, I always suggest starting with the simple one. Once you're comfortable, you can try the formal style too.
Yeah, and remember, practice saying it out loud. It really helps.
Totally, even in front of a mirror. It might feel silly, but it builds confidence.
So let's do one last example, a natural, friendly introduction.
Okay, you start.
Hey, I'm Max. I'm from California, and I work as a designer. I love music and coffee. How about you?
Nice to meet you, Max. I'm Emma. I'm from Texas. I'm a teacher, and I love traveling.
That's perfect. Short, real, and friendly.
Yep, and that's how you introduce yourself in English. Smile, speak slowly, and share a little bit about you.
Exactly. It's all about connection, not perfection.
Ooh, I like that. Connection, not perfection.
Maybe we should put that on a t-shirt.
Yeah, or a coffee mug.
Sounds good. Well, thanks for the chat, Emma.
Anytime, Max. And for everyone watching, go practice your introductions today.
Yep, just say it out loud, even to your mirror. You've got this.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.